Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to open Google Docs from Chrome. So guys, if you want to open Google Docs from Chrome, so very easy. Firstly open any Chrome browser. After click on Google Apps, scroll down, click on Docs. That is. Guys, other way, click on open any Chrome browser and type here Google Docs. Click on enter. And sign in your account after open Google Docs. My account already signed in, so go to Docs. Yes. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open Google Docs from Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching.